Welcome back. My name is Jenn Claridge. I'm the Vice President of the ERP practice at Sabre, and today I'm going to talk about extended text and how we can pull those into sales, service, and purchase documents. So first thing we're going to do is drill into the item card, and I am going to indicate on the guest chair that I want to associate an extended text. So extended text is often used because whenever you purchase, sell, or use this item on a service document, there is standard comments or boilerplate comments that you would want to pull into the document, and you don't want to have to key those every single time you create those documents. So what you can do is on the item card, under related item, extended text, you can click on new to indicate that you want to have a boilerplate comment, like I said, created for that item. You can indicate things like a language code. You can have starting and ending dates if the comment information is only relevant for a period of time. But then here you can add the text information that you would want to either automatically or when inserted appear on documents. So here I'm going to add a text for this that just says, please confirm shipping date and time 24 hours prior. There you go. We're going to spell it right and everything. So there we go. We've got now just a comment that's associated to that item. I can add multiple lines if I want, but again, the idea behind this is that it's the same all the time. I don't want to have to key that in because maybe there's something special about this item that makes it relevant. Down below, you can indicate which documents and which modules you want this to be available for. So right now it's available in the sales module, the purchase module, and the service module. And then you can indicate which documents this is relevant for. So you may say, well, this comment really isn't relevant if it's a blanket order or an invoice. Any of this, not relevant. Again, on the purchasing side, maybe it's only relevant for quotes and orders, and maybe service, it's just not applicable at all. So you get to choose which documents it's available for. So once you have that, you can close that page. And then also in the general section, you will have a Boolean called automatic extended text. So the idea behind this is that when I add the Paris guest chair to a sales document or a purchase document, do I want that comment to automatically come in, or do I want to insert it just when it's relevant? So you may have something where you say, well, 60% of the time I'd need the comment, so you don't necessarily want to have it just automatically pull in. So if you click on automatic extended text, and I'll just create a purchase order, I want to show you what that looks like. So I'll just add it to any open purchase order here. So down below. So as soon as I added that item to this document, you can see that my extended text automatically pulled in. So again, if it's a comment that's a boilerplate, it's the same all the time, or 95% of the time, that's a really nice option. If we go back to the item card and I indicate that I don't want it to be automatic, we can go back into a purchase order and see what that looks like. So again, I'm just going to open up any open document because really what I'm trying to show is just this extended text and comment information. So now it hasn't pulled the comment in, but under functions, I can insert that extended text for the orders that it's relevant for. So here I was able to pull it in when it mattered. As we mentioned, it wasn't available or relevant for a blanket purchase order. So let's just see what that looks like. So if I go to blanket purchase order, and in this case, I don't have any, so I'll quickly create one. So the comment didn't automatically pull in, which I expect because I didn't have the automatic extended text on the item card turned on. And then when I go to functions and I say insert extended text, also nothing happens. Because again, on the extended text MasterCard that I had created, I had indicated that for a blanket purchase order, this wasn't to be considered or relevant. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. Click here to follow our channel and click here for more great videos.